in this section, we want to look at how we can optimize our preventive maintenance programs, okay, or the plant maintenance programs generally. So when do we know that we really need to optimize the plant maintenance program, or what do we really need to look at to know that our plant maintenance program really needs optimization? Now, the first parameter that we need to look at is our maintenance cost. If our maintenance cost is going up, we know that our maintenance program is due for optimization. Okay, so as the maintenance cost is going up beyond what is normal or usual, we know it's time for us to optimize our maintenance program. Then, if the frequency of failure is increasing, that is the time between failure, okay, is increasing, we know that we should know that it is time for us to review and optimize our maintenance program. If the reactive maintenance, the amount of unscheduled downtime is increasing as a result of failure, okay, of the asset or component of the asset, then we know that our maintenance program is due for optimization. Are we getting it? Then when the cost of operating the asset, not the maintenance now, cost of operating the asset, if it is going up, okay, then we know that it is due for optimization. Then if your plant maintenance is going down, remember our plant maintenance should be more than 90% of the total maintenance program or the total maintenance executed on the facility for us to meet that world benchmark. So if the plant maintenance is going down, okay, then we know that it's time for us to optimize our maintenance. So if it is going down even by 10%, we should try as much as possible to review and optimize our preventive maintenance program. Then if our reactive maintenance is going up, okay, maybe it has, remember the world benchmark is 10% and below on plant maintenance program, okay. If it is going up more than 20, 30, then we should review. Of course, 50, 60 is a no-no. That is a clear evidence that our maintenance program is not optimized at all. And most of the facilities you go to today, you will see that more than 70% of their maintenance activities, they are all reactive, unplanned, okay, which shows clearly that they really need to be optimized. So usually the unplanned maintenance should be less than 15%, about 10%, as we said earlier. Okay, so if it is that, you are good. Okay, then your planned maintenance should be, that is, you have more of planned maintenance in your maintenance activities. So if it is going down, as we said earlier, okay, you need to review and optimize your maintenance process. Then the operational cost, as we said earlier, if it is going up, you need to review and optimize your maintenance process.